Hello everyone, welcome to switispeaks official YouTube channel. Today we are at day 25 of 111 days verification challenge. We had seen digital electronics, computer architecture, cache memories, optimization techniques, and different memory elements in the previous day's challenge. Now we are going to focus a little on static timing analysis. Today we are going to see some of the basic STA concepts. The first question is you need to explain what do you mean by clock skew and clock jitter. What are the different types of skews which are used in VLSI? What is the meaning of slack in VLSI? And what is negative slack and what is positive slack? Since this is STA, which is static timing analysis, it would be good if you can explain all these concepts with the help of timing diagrams. What are the ideal characteristics of a clock during STA? Then we will learn about certain important terminologies in STA. First is setup time, second is hold time, then we have rise time and fall time. Then you need to explain various ways to avoid setup and hold time violations. Solve all these questions today and tomorrow I'll see you for day 26 challenge. Thank you.